Ohlwini lamaqembu e-ANC athunyelwe ku-IEC ahona phambili umengameli weqembu Cyril Ramaphosa.
Our candidates for public representatives, led by the face of the elections campaign of the ANC, President Ramaphosa, have a huge responsibility to ensure that as we celebrate 30 years of freedom and move towards the next phase of our journey to build a better life for all, we do so together.
Iqembu le-ANC lithatha isinqumo sokuthi laba abathinteke embikweni wekhomishana kaZondo abenza ngaphambili ekomidini lezobuqotho ukuphendula imibuzo ngezinsolo bafakiwe ohlwini leqembu.
The NEC took a decision that anyone that was implicated in the Zondo Commission must subject themselves to the Integrity Commission. Those that did not do so, the NEC took a decision that they must be taken to a disciplinary process. So those are the processes of the ANC that will give you a sense of how the state capture report was given the necessary significance. So in terms of names of those fingered, if the Integrity Commission and the NDC cleared those comrades, you will find them in our list.
Okhulumela i-ANC uMahleke Mpengumutsiri uthi iqembu lisuse abane abathinteke embikweni wekhomishana kaZondo kanti abathandanga ukwenaba kabanzi ngabo kuze kube kukhishwa uhlu emphakathini.
Just because you were fingered in the Zondo Commission, you automatically didn't need to pass the muster in terms of the internal processes of the ANC. We had about 4 comrades that were flagged by the Special National Executive Committee. These will be spoken about in detail when the list has been published. So I won't go into speaking about names of people here. I came to outline the process that we have followed.
Ikhomishana ezimele yokhetha i-IEC kulindele ukuthi ikhiphele emphakathini uhlu lwamaqembu ngesonto elizayo.